whales. After sizing up their prey, they assemble 30 meters away. They live in multi-generational family groups. Led by an experienced female who can be over 100 years old, they swim in tandem, synchronizing their tail beats to create a wave. The seal is washed off. They have a 90% hunting success rate. This 14-strong family has a lot of hunting to do. Spreading out, they spy hop to search the ice floes. When a seal is spotted, the scouts alert the family with a rallying call. This time, they produce a subsurface whale. It breaks the ice into smaller pieces. But the seal still has a raft. The matriarch whale, however, has a plan. Blowing bubbles. They disorientate the towering seal, and the whales move in for the kill.